My name is Amaechi Oduah. I am the Marketing Director for the EMEA region for Forta, and I am responsible for helping Forta to promote our solutions across the EMEA region. Forta, we're an online fraud prevention solution. We work with merchants and retailers to provide 100% automated decisioning service where in under a second we have a solution, an AI machine learning solution that calculates over 6,000 data points to be able to provide a real-time decision for the merchant as to whether or not to allow a transaction to be approved or to decline it. We know that in the payments area there is a lot of friction for customers, and companies and merchants are looking for how to improve their fraud solution and how also to improve the customer experience, reducing friction. And we feel that our solutions can help merchants and help retailers to improve and have a more efficient fraud solution, and also to improve the customer experience and also the delay it takes in approving transactions through legacy systems such as manual reviews or points-based systems.